Shin nga, tayo po ay gagamit na po ng drone. What is good, Shin? This is Powerful Monster Stress TV. Welcome back to my channel. So, today what we're going to do is we are going to have one wonderful long ride going up to Don Salvador Benedicto, also known as DSB, located dito po sa I think western part ng Negros Occidental, pagitna kumbaga. So that's gonna be one ass beautiful ride. I've got my friends with me, and yeah, so today is a Friday. Today is the 19th of January, about a week after my last vlog. One more thing that's gonna happen today is another beautiful shooting, another beautiful shooting for my intro, and I love it. Abby, one of my friends, has a drone, and we're gonna definitely go ahead and use that to make some intro shots, and I hope this will be a beauty. I'm so excited. Yeah, and yeah, dapat na si Paul, nakamotor din dapat yan, pero gago siya. Hindi siya nagdala ng motor. So ako lang mag-isa ngayon ang naka 2 wheels, sila naman naka 4 wheels. It's totally cool with me. You guys will enjoy the beauty of the DSB road going to Don Salvador Benedicto. Yeah! Enjoy the music, people. Enjoy the sunrise. Enjoy the mountains. Shit! Meron dito mag-picture natin yung mga yan. Hi bully! What's good, Chino, buddy? Ito yan na, naka-record ka ngayon. Pakip ka. Ba't may sariling seatbelt yan si Bully?
Basta sa Don Salvador lang ko ah.
Ang mangyayari po ngayon ay nakadalawa po tayong camera angle. One is this, one is that right there. And hopefully ma-enjoy natin lahat yan. So giginda po tayo para medyo cinematic ang ating montage, kind of cinematic channels. We had some drone shots, we had some gimbal GoPro some shots, I mean from the back of the car, and some of it was recorded, some of it wasn't. But yeah, so we're now continuing our journey to DSB. Kape kami, kumain ako ng almusal at paalis na po kami. So magandang lugar yung pinunta namin. Sarap-sarap din yung pagkain nila. Sulit naman kasi sulit yung pinunta namin. So okay din naman ang mga presyo. Siyempre malayo yung pinuntahan mo, so meron silang mga all day breakfast, they have finger foods, they have coffee, the usual thing, you know. At ngayon, pabalik na kaming Bacolod. So that's pretty much about this vlog for today. My first ever ride going to DSB. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy today's Motovlog, because it's an awesome trip, one of my best trips ever. Mostly zigzagging on the B, you know what I mean? But yeah, so enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy your life, because life is supposed to be lived to its fullest potential. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my episodes. Thank you so much for watching also Stress TV. Do not forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends so they can watch it too. And out of all, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and that's about that. Capiche?